Up for grabs here is a Vaydor kit car. This is based on a completely rust-free 2005 Infiniti G35 from Alabama. Under the hood is a 3.5-liter V6 with a light-tuned cold air intake and aftermarket airbox. As you can see, it's a super clean and well put together car. It still retains a lot of the comfort of a G35 with a full console, heat, AC, cruise control, and a telescopic column, while having the exotic styling that the kit brings. This has a catback exhaust system, so it's a catalytic converter and then a single pipe that splits into a double with no muffler, and it sounds fantastic. That little screen that you can see in there is a rear view camera that runs full time when the car is on. And up in the headliner is a Bluetooth controller that connects to your phone when you get in. It allows you to play music or answer phone calls, and it runs through a 400-watt amp. Along with some attention-grabbing butterfly doors, this does have an 11-point roll cage underneath the body for some extra safety. This is a car that was built to be driven and be reliable, but also to look good doing it. What you'll be rolling around on are some striking gold custom-made 22-inch rims that are 12-inch wide in the rear and 9 inches wide in the front. And now that you've seen the individual parts of this car, let's see what 3,000 man-hours gets you all put together on a test ride.